Special Edition 1 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLC 63 SE Performance. Trent here with Mercedes, sitting inside the new Mercedes-Benz GLC 63 SE Performance. Listen to this. Alright, do it again, but make it sound sexy. .671 horsepower. This is in a manufacturer Graphite Grey Magno. This is a matte paint. Again, this is edition 1, so it blacks out a lot of the chrome accents over here. You see the AMG badging on the side of the vehicle. Gold calipers. And then going to the rear, you'll see the classic GLC and S Performance badging, blocking out the chrome accents. Inside the vehicle, check it out. You have the yellow stitching with ambient lighting, yellow seat belts with the yellow stitching throughout the vehicle. Panoramic sunroof, somewhat a little bit taller. You do have a head indentation. Upgraded sound system with the racing seats. Check this out. Carbon fiber trim with the brand new screen in the center. Heads up display. This is a pinnacle package option. Heated cool cup holders. Chrome pedals. You'll see the AMG drive button units. You have a race mode with this one and more customizable options on this side. 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. Another view of the seats. Again, racing style seats with the Edition 1 badging on the headrest. AMG badging. Panoramic sunroof. Hope you enjoy the video. This one is still available. Mercedes-Benz of the Woodlands. Come see Trent. Goodbye.